Well, the global Islamic finance market grew 10% in 2018, reaching beyond $2 trillion. Turkey's hoping to grab a larger market share in it, and one of its oldest educational institutions, Marmara University, has launched the Islamic Economics and Finance Institute. Its rector, Erol Ozvar, says the initiative will produce more professionals in the field and develop new financial products that meet Islamic standards.
Through this institute, actually, we would like to invite international scholars to the institute to conduct some projects and also to study and also to actually teach Turkish and foreign students.
Well, the head of the finance office of the Turkish presidency was also present at the institute's launch. He tells TRT World's senior business producer Mobin Nasser the government's working with other Muslim countries to launch a shared currency reserve and central bank.
This is going to be a kind of swap box, not the bilateral relation. So it's going to be relation between, let me say, 6, maybe 10, maybe more Muslim countries. So this can be the first step for the financial partnership between the Muslim countries.
What is your outlook on the economy going forward, specifically on Turkey's financial needs and its ability to meet them?
Actually, so easy to understand why the interest, why the saving rate is lower than much other countries in Turkey, because we have a young population. For the following, I mean, maybe 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, what else? So we will need foreign resources. That is why we should create some different and several opportunities to attract the foreign resources, especially the capital. But now for the following, I mean, maybe for the last quarter of the year, I can say that the growth rate will be much higher. But also the 2020, probably we will have nearly 5% growth rate in the economy.
There's a lot of talk about developing Istanbul as a financial hub. We know that the Treasury, the central bank are also supposed to be moving to the city. Give us an update on where we stand now.
I think we will finish in 2 years. So it's going to be ready in the beginning of 2022 to be moved for the several financial institutions. Now we need to do something in the regulation, especially in the regulation area. We should actually introduce some new incentives for the especially for the international financial institutions, firms, etc. So now we are working on that part also.